Today I'm gonna take a very traditional Icelandic Sunday roast and give it a little flair, using the Icelandic Lamb, which is in my opinion the best lamb in the world. I'm using the same condiments my grandma would serve, but just changing them up slightly. So we'll have the peas, red cabbage and small potatoes. And to top it all off, I'm gonna serve it in flatkökur, the Icelandic flatbread. I'm using the shoulder cut, which is full of fat, and that makes it super tasty. And because I'm making it taco style, I'm also gonna serve tomato salsa, sour cream and a red beet and barley salad. So it's gonna be a real Icelandic taco feast. The lambs are born in the spring and then they travel to the mountain where they spend their summer only living off the fresh mountain herbs and grass. This is what makes the lamb so tender and flavorful.